Who don't want to money? In this planet, everybody need money, and if you notice that there is a lot of people who needs money, but they ignore money, and ultimately, end of the day, they suffering for money. Why? Because they ignore money. Some interruption will come on your heart that money doesn't think, but ultimately if you fully ignore money, you will be broke. Keep in mind, without money you cannot be great man. Do you agree with me or not? But without money you cannot be great. You can be great without money, but it would be better than money. Like it's you when you would be smarter than money, you can be at that time. But if you are great man, money will come to you. So money doesn't work your way. Money is smart, and you have to smarter than money. Keep in mind how to be like that, how to be like smarter than money. Keep in mind, greatness come through training. That is mean learning. You need to be learner, and there's a lot of people that's related to money. That is the investment. I would say first of all, do invest yourself, and after all, you can invest time. You can invest money, all valuable thing. So success is your duty. You need to mind that nothing happened in overnight. You need to have consistency. You need to be strong when you are training yourself. Success is your duty. If you noticed who are suffering in money, those are not succeed, no, those are not educated in financially. They think money come, and that is the money's work. No, money's work not just that. Money's work, money invent money. So here is my couple of points that might be helped you to become think about money, to become financially education. So psychology of money. What is the number one? Psychology of money. So keep in mind, I already shared with you that some people know how to make money, few people know how to keep that, and almost no one know how to multiply money. So which way you can multiply money? Those things give you like a lot of money, very short time. You can do that. That's like your investment. You can as well do investment in your business. Like if some product you buy and that is producing money for you a lot of, and you see potential to there, you can you can do that. You can invest money in there. Number two is everything money in this planet. If you see everywhere, like I'm recording this video, this camera is bought for bought by money. These if I had t-shirt, that's um, bought by money. So everything in this planet is money. If you notice that, you can be motivated about money. So number three is value. What is valuable? you know I would say money is valuable thing, because of if you when you give someone value, they give you money. So they exchange you value, you know. So if you know about digital marketing or graphic design, so let's say you're a graphic designer. So one company, one are requirement who need company's banner, and you can do that, and he hires you, and you make logo, you make banner, and you make a pretty imagine way banner, and you give that banner to them, that company. So they give you money. Instead of that, you give value and they give you value instead of that. That's just accent, accent. So conclusion here is nothing that money is valuable thing. If you so you are everyone everyone in this planet, they had pain of money, they will get pain of money. So earlier to get those things, you need to work right now, still now, from now, because of when the more you start earlier, the more you get experience about money. So I'm experienced that it seems like hard to earn money. You need to have a lot of, you need to be valuable guy, and if you are valuable guy, after that you will give value thing to people, and people instead of that pay you value like money. So keep in mind, nothing, no one pay you meaninglessly, no one pay you totally free, because of in this planet everyone need value. So see you later video.